welcome guys, welcome to Live is Sweeter TV channel. Today I'm going to be showing us how to buy MTN shares with our AFRINVESTOR 2.0. okay, these are AFRINVESTOR. So I'm going to go into my I want to buy shares, about 10 units of shares. I'll be going to my OPay to transfer money to my AFRINVESTOR 2.0 account. Now I want to buy just ordinary 10 shares of it. I'm going to be transferring, this is my AFRINVESTOR already. I'm going to be transferring 11,500 naira. Or no, so let me transfer 12,000 to be on the safer side. 12,000 naira. Okay, so I'm transferring money to my AFRINVESTOR now. Pay. Send. Okay. Done. So let's go back to my AFRINVESTOR account and check the money whether it's entered. This is my AFRINVESTOR 2.0. I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, let's check my wallet. Let's check my 12. Boom, the money has entered. So I have 12,248 naira. So now I'm going to be doing some transaction. Go to my portfolio, click my equities through bonds. Now these are the shares that I have. These are the shares that I bought. Now go to my MTN. Okay, although as you can see the market has already closed, as you can see, but I don't mind. I want to place orders, so when the market comes up tomorrow, the order will be executed by itself. So the market has already closed, so I'm going to be buying shares, MTN shares with it. Okay, so I'll select buying. I'll select buying, let's say I want to buy 13 shares. 13 shares will cost me 10,335 now. Let's say buy now. So total amount will cost me 11,500 with all the tax they will collect, fees and stuff like that. Okay, and the commission. So let me increase it to maybe 14 shares. Sorry, let me increase it to 14 shares. 14 shares. Okay, let me just buy the 13 shares. No, let me buy the 13 shares. Buy now. So I place order now. It's going to cost me 11,561 total shares. Let me just screenshot this so that I can use it to record the total amount of money spent on these shares. Okay, so I'm going to click on buy. Just a moment. The order is, yes, I've placed order. So when the market begins tomorrow, the order will be executed. So you can go further more to look at it very here from here. You can see other places. You can see MTN shares. Today is 5th of March 2026. I've already placed the order, booked. So 13 units of shares for MTN will be bought for me by tomorrow, being Friday the 6th of March 2026. MTN share surprised me very, very well. In 2024, MTN shares was 120 naira. Today MTN shares is how much? MTN shares is, as of today, MTN shares is selling at, if you look at it, it's selling at 795 naira. This shares is going to get, MTN shares is going to get to 2,000 naira in the next few months. Probably by 2-3 months, 4 months, to enter 1,005 or 2,000 naira. So if I were you, I would jump in and start buying. Thank you very much. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it to your friends. Thank you.